Module 10. A traffic flow relationship is given by, so ito kahit hindi sabihin na ito talaga yung traffic flow relationship. Q is equal to KV. Yung Q is yung flow or traffic volume. Yung K is yung density ng traffic. Yung V is yung velocity or space mean speed. No? Um, Tapos ang units na to ay naka-vehicle per hour, tapos yung K ay naka-vehicle per mile or sa ano sa SI units naka-ano yan, vehicle per kilometer. Tapos yung V is the mean speed or the space mean speed. So dito kasi naka-English kaya miles per hour pero kung naka-SI yan or metric, kilometers per hour. Okay? Tapos, ang sabi dito, yung mean speed daw is given by this equation. Na kumbaga, meron ng, na kung saan yung equation natin ay naka-base sa density. Okay? So, ang tinatanong lang sa atin, what is the maximum capacity of overall traffic volume? So, ang ibig sabihin niya dyan, ano yung maximum volume? Okay? So, this problem really boils down, although ano to, transportation engineering, no? But this problem really boils down to calculus problem. Kasi, kung titingnan natin, di ba yung Q, ito yung volume, no? Tapos merong K. Tapos yung V natin, ito. So, ipasok ko lang yan, no? 60 minus 0.2. So, hindi ko na muna sasama yung mga units. Total kung titignan nyo, yung mga units ay uniform naman. Naka-miles, naka-vehicle, tas naka-hour. So, uniform naman. So, it really doesn't matter. So, tas may K dito. So, ganyan yung magiging itsura ngayon nung flow equation, no? Based on the given velocity. So, ngayon, kapag sinimplify ito, magiging 60K minus 0.2K squared. Okay? Tapos 'di ba sinasanong niya, ano yung maximum capacity or volume? So ibig sabihin, ito pinapa-maximize. Okay? So 'di ba kung meron kang variable na gusto mong i-maximize sa calculus, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is i-derivative 'yun, tapos equate mo sa zero yung derivative niya to maximize it. So derivative lang natin 'to. So derivative of the flow with respect to k is equal to 60 minus 0.4K. And then equate natin sa 0. Okay? And then from here, we should be able to calculate um, the density of traffic, no, that would maximize the flow. And that is 60 divided by 0.4. So that gives us 150. So based on the given units, this will be vehicle per mile. Okay? So yan ngayon yung K na magbibigay sa atin ng optimum or maximum traffic volume. So all we have to do is to substitute this to the original equation for the volume. So ang volume natin ngayon at maximum capacity will be 150 times, ito no, sinubstitute ko lang, 60 minus 0.2 times 150. Ayan. So our maximum flow, max na to no, max, would be 4,500. So 4,500 vehicles per hour. Okay, and that would be our answer. 4,500. Ayan, nagkulang. Okay? Tapos kung tanungin ka naman, dagdagan ko lang, no? What is the mean speed at maximum capacity? Tanungin ka. Okay? So, well, dahil yung speed ay naka-base sa K, at 'di ba, na-compute na natin kung ano yung K na maximum yung capacity. O di ito ang gagamitin natin. Substitute lang natin diyan. Okay? So that would give me V is equal to 60 minus 0.2 times 150. So 60 minus 0.2 times 150. So that gives us 30 miles per hour. Okay? So ganun lang.